Okay then, let's start question 2, which I think is a fantastic question all about circles and arcs and sectors. So let's start off with question A. Find the area of the sector. So for this you need to remember the sector formula. So if you remember that, it becomes very easy. So to find a sector, we need half times r squared, the radius squared, times theta. Half times r squared times by theta. So in this case, what is our r? Our r is 6 there, and theta is 0.5 radians. So let's put that in. So we get half times by 6 squared, here's 6 squared, so 36, times by our theta, which is 0.5, which is half again. So 36 times half is equal to 9. That's the answer to question A. Good, so let's move straight on to question B, part I, part 1. So find the length of the arc AB. It's exactly the same but with an easier formula. The arc, let's go down here, the arc is equal to radius times theta. So as the radius gets longer, then the arc will increase proportionally, and as theta gets larger, see as this gets bigger like this, or the other way like this, then it'll also increase proportionally. So you don't need to worry about that, just arc is r theta. So what is that going to be? Well, that's going to be 6 times by 0.5, which is 3. What could be easier? So let's get some space down here. Let's get some space up here as well. So we can move on to the last part. We're flying through this. The last part. Okay, so show, use what you've already worked out to show that the perimeter of the sector OAB, so this sector here, hence show that the sector is k times the length of the arc, where k is an integer. So we have our sector there, the perimeter. So the perimeter is basically the line. I'm going to draw this for you in a minute. Here we go, red. So the perimeter is this here, which is 6, plus this here, which is 6, plus this little arc there. So the perimeter, we can work out the perimeter. I'm going to use P. The perimeter is equal to 6 plus 6 plus, we just worked out what there from A to B, that's 3. So the perimeter is going to be 15. Okay, so we need to then show that 15, perimeter, so 15 here, is equal to k times by the length of the arc AB. Well, the length of the arc AB is 3. We just worked that out. That was question B, part 1, part I. So in this case, what is k? Well, k is obviously 5. So we need to show that, because it's a show that, we need to show that. So what we can write down, let's make some space down here, we can say the perimeter, my pen's not really working, perimeter is equal to 5 times the arc. Perimeter is equal to 5 times the arc, and that is the 2 marks there. Wonderful question. I will see you on the next video.